Hello class 3rd students, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to start with the chapters that is community helpers. And the main points are community, community helpers and knowing them, types of community helpers, respect for community helpers. So let's start. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Who distributes letter to us? Second, who stitches our clothes? Third, who washes our clothes? Fourth, who cleans our house? After reading this chapter, you will be able to answer these questions. So let's begin with the community. We live in a community. A community is a group of people living together at a place. In a region or in country, all people of a community live together as this gives them strength to fight a difficult situation and live happily. They are dependent on each other to live a comfortable life. Community helpers. People live in a community help each other. Although they do this as a profession or to earn money, their services make our life comfortable. We cannot do all things by ourselves. Types of community helpers. There are two types of community helpers: direct helpers and indirect helpers. Direct helpers are those who meet us and we can explain our needs to them. For example, doctors, engineers, tailors, domestic helpers, cobblers, plumber, electricians, postmen, garbage collectors, security guards, lawyers, teachers, policemen, etc. Indirect helpers are not in our contact, but they help us in many ways. For example, soldier, farmers, etc. are indirect helpers. Helpers दो तरह के होते हैं, डायरेक्ट हेल्पर्स एंड इनडायरेक्ट हेल्पर्स. डायरेक्ट हेल्पर्स जिन्हें हम अपनी जरूरत बताते हैं, हम उनसे मिल सकते हैं और अपनी लाइफ कंफर्टेबल बना सकते हैं. इनडायरेक्ट हेल्पर्स जो दूर रहकर हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. Knowing some community helpers. Soldiers protect us and our country from enemy attack and also from terrorists. They do their duty in border areas and they are always ready to sacrifice their lives for the country's safety. They make our life easy. They make our life safe. They are very active and cautious. They also help us at the time of natural calamities like flood, drought, earthquake, etc. We are proud of them. Here you can see the picture, soldier. Farmers. Farmers are indirect helpers. They work in their fields under the sun or heavy rains and grow food for us. They plow fields, sow seeds, water the plants on the time and harvest crops. We get food because of them, but their life is not easy. Here you can see the picture of a farmer. Teachers. Teachers not only give us knowledge, but they teach us many things that help us. They guide us since childhood. Here you can see the picture of a teacher. Doctors. Doctors treat us when we do not feel good or when we are sick. They prescribe us some medicines which we buy from the medicine shop. Nurses take care of patients. They help doctors, they check fever, etc. of the patients and give medicines on time. Here you can see the picture of doctor and nurse. Veterinary doctors. Veterinary doctors treat sick animals and our pets. They are also called vets. Here you can see the picture of veterinary doctor. Policemen. Policemen protect us and keep us safe from thieves, bad people. They protect our goods too. Some policemen maintain order on the road for smooth flow of traffic. They help to prevent accidents from taking place due to wrong or careless driving. Here you can see the picture of policemen. Firefighters. If a building or house catches fire, firefighters come there in fire engines to put out the fire. This fire engine is filled with water and other tools to reach high buildings and put out the fire. Here you can see the picture of firefighters. Respect for community helpers. We are dependent on community helpers to be safe and get our work done. We cannot do everything alone, so we need the help of community helpers. If there is no one to clean the streets or remove garbage, our surroundings will be filled with garbage. It will not be possible for us to live in a safe and healthy way. We should respect our community helpers and thank them for their services. We should also cooperate with them in their needs. We should give them gifts in festivals and important celebrations. Here you can see a picture of a community helper. Respect the community helpers. Valued facts. Community helpers are more respectable than any other person. Awesome fact. Community helpers were called untouchables some years back. Let's learn new words. Profession. Work performed by the people to earn money. Community helpers. Some people in the community who help us to live well. Now kids, let's remember. A community is a group of people living together at a place, region or country. Community helpers give their service to make our lives comfortable. Soldiers, farmers, teachers, doctors and nurses, veterinary doctors, policemen, firefighters, etc. are all our community helpers. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.